Mari got beats.
Alright guys, so this is the county clerk. Now every single market has its own specific clerk, and that is basically where people go and they record things to make a public record, okay? So I'm just going to break this down very simple. You want to click on the land records icon, and then we're going to click on foreclosures here, and then I'm going to click on this little search thing. Now at this point, it's going to pull up some results for me. So what you'll see is the doc type, right? This is a notice of foreclosure. That means the property is going into foreclosure. You see the date that it was recorded. You'll see the sale date, the date that it was scheduled to go and be foreclosed on. You'll see the doc number and then the property address. And this is going to be one of the most important pieces here, okay? So obviously these results are outdated. So we want to click on the sale date once. It's going to show everything from A to Z, which is a long time ago to now, right? And then we want to click on it one more time, and it's going to be from Z to A. This is basically the most recent pre-foreclosures that you can get in your market. So with that being said, let's just dive into this real fast, all right? We want this entire page here, and then we're going to click on over here to this. Click this in page as well. So what you'll see here is the sale date, right? You see that this is next month. This is the first Tuesday of next month. So properties normally get auctioned off the first Tuesday of the month, right? So July 7th, 2020 is the month that the property will basically be taken from the seller. It is what it is, right? So these are all leads. We want to try to reach out to them, see if we can help them. So we have to compile this data into a PDF format, right? Now guys, if the date here switches to the month that we're currently in, there's no point in pulling that lead because the month for the foreclosure is already ended. You see what I'm saying? So look, check this out. I'll go to the 5th page. I'll scroll down. You see how these ones say 6/2/2020? Well, we're already past that day of this month. We're already on 6/23/2020. So unless they were able to save themselves from foreclosure, we don't have to worry about pulling that lead. And this is something we want to pull on the 1st and the 20th of every month, okay? Just so you guys can take a note of that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and export these results. We'll click add to cart. You also want to create a profile here, guys. It's pretty simple. When you click on the add to cart icon, you want to click on where it says export all results and then place your order. It's absolutely free. And here we go, guys. We have our results here. Download as PDF, right? It's going to be straight here at the bottom. Now, this is the next place that I go to. So I have a lady that I already hired. She's super awesome. But for those that are watching this right now, what you want to do is you want to create a free profile, right? Not as a freelancer, but as somebody who's going to be giving work, okay? Like someone who's going to be hiring somebody. And you can find some people from all over the world that do amazing, amazing work. So I highly recommend Earshot BB. She's super awesome. She helps me out with everything. And all you got to do, guys, is hit her up and go ahead and create a contract with her. You see here which says I proposed a new contract. I told her to send me basically a contract so that she can do this one. I'll take this PDF link and then I'll drag and drop it here. It's uploading the file, and then I'll tell her this is exactly how I want the spreadsheet. And again, we want to convert this file from PDF to Excel, right? So I always put it here just in case, you never know. This is exactly what I want, and then I'll click send. After that, she'll receive the results. She'll message me as soon as she can. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you pull the pre-foreclosure list. After I download it in PDF, I send it off to Earshot, and she puts it into an Excel spreadsheet for me. Once I have it in the Excel spreadsheet, I upload it to REI Sift. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
I want the check.